Come, I'll show you this kitchen. Now this is my kitchen, quite spacious. It has a lot of storage, and for Indian kitchen, whenever you design, storage is very important. Now see the color palette. It's from the green family, and to complement this color, we have used the frosty white color. And to add some pattern, we have used this Moroccan tile at the backsplash, which is actually looking amazing, and I think it's going to complement this huge kitchen. It's looking so nice. For the counter, we have used quartz, complementing the backsplash, and which is actually matching with the color family that we have chosen. And this is my glass shutter. It's going to be lit. These two are the glass shutters, and this is the cabinet, overhead cabinet.